Hello everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet and today we are making beautiful lace pattern. Very easy pattern that everyone can make. I'm using cotton yarn and I'm using 3mm crochet hook. This is following up tutorial after my beautiful, my very interesting video about upcycling your clothing. Please check it out if you haven't seen it. I will put the link in the description below. It is lots of beautiful ideas how to decorate your clothing with crochet, little patches, maybe to add some interesting features to your denim jacket, or well, you just have a look. I will not give you a spoil, so let's crochet this lace now. Let's start with making the chain 18. Double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook, and in each chain across. By the end of this row you will have 13 stitches, 13 double crochets. Second round, chain 5, and turn 5 double crochets and start with the first stitch, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, make double crochet cluster, chain 3, skip 1, 5 double crochets, and this is the end of row 2. Chain 5 and turn, making 2 double crochets, chain 3, double crochet cluster in the same stitch, This time it will be 2 double crochet cluster. Skip 2 chain stitches, make 1 single crochet, one single crochet on top of the cluster, and 1 single crochet in the first chain. Chain 3, double crochet cluster, again with 2 double crochets, skip 3 double crochets and make 2 double crochets in the last 2. Oh, I haven't made chain 3. No, I don't need it. This is the end of this round, of this row I should say. Chain 5, and turn, 2 double crochets, chain 7, one single crochet in the middle single crochet, chain 7, two double crochets on top of 2 double crochets, chain 5, and turn, 2 double crochets on top of 2 double crochets, three double crochets on the chain stitches, chain 3, and double crochet cluster in the single crochet. This time it will be 3 double crochet cluster, chain 3, and 5 double crochets. You have 2 double crochets on top of 2 double crochets and 3 chain stitches. Beautiful. You have your first flower, chain 5, and now it should be a row with double crochets. So 13 double crochets, first 5 goes on top of 5 double crochets, then we make 3 double crochets, 1 double crochets. Let's make in this first chain stitch, 1 double crochet on double crochet cluster, 1 double crochet in the last chain stitch, and 5 double crochets on top of double crochets. Chain 5, chain 5 goes as a decoration only, so if you don't want, you can just make 3 chain stitches if you don't want those poking out. Now we will make exactly the same pattern, so we will start with double crochet row, then make 1 double crochet cluster, then row with 2, then with 1, and finish with row of double crochets. So first it will be 5 double crochets, three chain stitches, skip 1, make double crochet cluster, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, make 5 double crochets, chain 5, two double crochets, let me pick this loop I lost, then double chain 3 and double crochet cluster, and I will be going into this stitch, technically it is 3 double crochet cluster as this one, but we already have a chain, 3 single crochets, chain 3 and double crochet cluster, and again I'm going in the last stitch and 2 double crochets, two double crochets, 2 last double crochets, 1, 2, so I should place first double crochet and second, chain 5, 2 double crochets. This is very easy pattern to memorize, just keep going and going and going, chain 7, three single crochets,